So this is your base paper. So here we are doing mitigating cyber risk in smart cyber physical power system through deep learning and a hybrid secured model. So in your application, what they are telling as an hybrid secure model is we are going to combine the CNN network with LSTM network. So that will be the thing. And we are doing real-time anonymity identification. So this will be the main application, main part of your application. So here FDI, that is on cyber, like false data injection and DDoS attacks, all those vulnerability we are processing. So first we have to gather a data and we have to do the data pre-processing, data segmentations, everything. So accordingly, we had implemented. You can see here. So this will be the workflow of your application that first we have to input the data, and on that data we have to process all the application process attack models. So on the same basis we had implemented here. First we gather a data. Okay, so that data will contain an Excel file. So I'm converting into CSV. So these are all the parameters it's contained. So according those parameters we are doing data TDA. Okay, so according to this, we are presenting. So data cleaning and data pre-processing is complete over here. And then again, we importing that particular data set and we are doing data normalization, all those steps over here. And we processing these conditions, like whether it is fraud or what types of process. And then we are applying CNN and LSTM process over here. Okay, so nearly normal or anonymity we are predicting, and for that, what will be the ROC curve and PR values. And finally, we are processing with the CNN with the LSTM combined layers over here. Okay, CNN reconstructed error process, and it will be the LSTM reconstructed error process. And finally, we are doing a simulation over here. Okay, so we are giving direct process, how many iterations we have to use, and what will be the, and finally, it will give you the decision, what type on real time and what will be the reason. Okay, so on the same basis, this will be the application which I developed to you. Okay, so this will be the registration page and this will be the login page. So we can register over here. So we can register. The register has been okay. So this will be the login page. So after logging, this will be the dashboard. Okay. So total sample which I'm having here, and on that, how many will be the false data ingestion, and then single plots related to this. Okay. So if I start real-time simulation, here the execution will be start. So I started, the connection has been set up. It will take some time for each index. I given nearly iteration will be 1,000, right? For each index, it will calculate what will be the timestamp and what will be the true label and what will be the delay decision and what will be the delay decision reason, which I shown you already. Okay. So accordingly, we can process, and once it is complete, you have the feasibility to download the result also. So it's showing overall process, and now it's showing that the simulation is completed. We can, once it is completed, okay, so you can download the process. So it give you what will be the timestamp and true label, and what will be the decision and what will be the decision reason, everything. So this will be the output. Okay. Once it is completed, it will show it is completed. You can download the result. That's it. Thank you.